This week, students have been practicing doing what we call comparison bar models. So I'm going to take you through an example of a comparison bar model problem similar to what your students have been working on. So the first step is to read the whole problem. Daniel sells tickets to the fair to raise money. He sells 86 tickets on Monday. He sells 54 more tickets on Tuesday than on Monday. How many tickets does Daniel sell on Tuesday? The second step is for students to ask themselves what are the numbers associated with. So for example, in this problem, the question is talking about tickets. The third step is to reread the problem and underline the important information they're going to need to use to solve the problem. So Daniel sells tickets to the fair to raise money. He sells 86 tickets on Monday. He sells 54 more tickets on Tuesday than on Monday. And the question is asking, how many tickets does Daniel sell on Tuesday? Now students are ready to draw their bars. So the first bar that we can draw is a bar for Monday. Because these two sets of tickets are completely separate, one set for Monday and one set for Tuesday, we're going to draw two bars and we're going to compare their values. So I'm going to draw my first bar as Monday. And I can label it for 86 tickets. Now I'm going to reread that second sentence to decide whether my Tuesday bar is going to need to be bigger or smaller than my Monday bar. So he sells 54 more tickets on Tuesday than on Monday. So I know that my Tuesday bar is going to have to be longer than my Monday bar. Now I have to decide where that 54 is going to fit in. So if he sells 54 more tickets on Tuesday than on Monday, we're talking about the space between the end of the Monday bar and the end of the Tuesday bar. So I'm going to label this 54. That means that the question I'm really trying to figure out is the value of the Tuesday bar. So I'm going to put my question mark for Tuesday. Now, in order to find the value of that whole Tuesday bar, students know that they need to add the two values, 86 plus 54. And we always ask students to check their work. And so I know that my answer is 140. The last step that we do ask students to do on bar model problems is to write a complete sentence. So they might write something like, Daniel sells 142 tickets on Tuesday.